Alright, happy unboxing day, y'all. We are about to unbox from, of course, my favorite designer. I'm not really here. Hey everyone, we're about to unbox from Christopher John Rogers. I'm so excited. I can't even contain myself. I didn't even want to have time to get ready, but I want to show you all, because it's not about me. Right now, it's about the garment, okay? I want to show you, I'm using a seam ripper. Those of you all that design, you know what this is. And this is how fashionable I am. I'm using a seam ripper to take the box and send it into the oblivion, okay? But the box is here. I've been waiting since, oh my god, I've been waiting for so long for this. Time to open this box up, y'all. What the heck? Oh, guess I have to rip it. So, oh my gosh, it's really not coming out easily. Like, it's secure. Very, 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 very secure. Oh my god. I just want to open it. I don't want to rip it. Just grant me access. Ah. There we go. Alright, I'm so excited to show y'all what's in this box. What does that say? It says McMullen. Oh my gosh, it says McMullen. And, you know, you guys want to shop there, you go to shopmcmullen.com. Alright, so this dress. Alright, I'm not going to put my address on here, honey. But we got the official McMullen, you know, receipt. This is my first time ordering from them. Ordered from the Runway collection. I actually specially asked them because they add this dress because they didn't have it on there. And so it's a true blessing. They were able to accommodate me and add it on there. It says, enjoy your Christopher John Rogers shirt, dress, McMullen team. So happy. And of course, you have an online policy return. I will not be returning this. I hope it's not a flaw or anything like that, but not returning it. This is my first time ordering from them, ever. So let's go ahead and get the red carpet treatment. Ooh, McMullen. It's on a hanger. Or is it? I'm so nervous. Like, I'm literally not looking. I'm feeling it. Oh my god, you guys. Ah! I actually have been waiting on this for so long. It almost felt like it was never going to come here. So, oh, and it's long. It's pretty much all the way down there. Oh, I think I'm going to zoom out so y'all can, like, really, really see what's going on here. But, just sit that there and unzip. Oh my god! Oh! Literally. Y'all. I'm about to hyperventilate. Like, I really am about. Oh my gosh. Ah! Y'all, it's in my. I've been waiting since July. Ah! And it is a bright, so bright pink. Like, it's pretty much the color that you see. Oh my god. He made it for me. And the stitching has a contrast. Oh, it's definitely oversized. That's just my first note. Oversized. You know, it's supposed to be. But it's something I guess I can keep for a while. Hip-wise. Oh, look. Was this one that they used on a model? It literally has a pin. Hope they didn't ruin my outfit now. Come on now. Why is it pinned? You check my fabric. Because, baby... Only thing I see that's a little, because this thread. I inspect stuff very, very precisely. I don't want that pin to have messed up my garment. So I'm very serious about everything. Okay, so this, what is that? Did they just like throw this in the bag? But here's the color. It's a double color. I know he has a particular term for it, but I don't know that right now. It's a double color. It has the long signature ties that he's been doing that are off of the collar and off the lapels. if there's a blazer, he did this in collection 6, collection 7, and I don't think he did it in collection 8. But this is the garment. I do have it pinched a little too much. Like, because I'm so surprised. Did somebody just pack this up and not think about it? It should. I hope it fits me in the hips. Because, you know, my hips been getting bigger. So, let's just see. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I hate that the security thing is stuck on there. That's so aggravating to me. Like, no. Not feeling that at all. Like, for real. Alright, so let me just put this on right now. Oh, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. And yeah, it's like right at the hip. Oh my god, my hips are so big now. Not in a like, I don't like it or fat phobic way, but they're big. Compared to what I used to look like, and bigger enough where sometimes I don't know my size. So if I buy something, it's not looking like what I was expecting it to look like. Okay, that's it. And it's 50% wool and 50% rayon. You all know rayon fabric allows things to have a little bit of sheen. Oh my god, I did not know this had a sheen to it. So can you see, like, you see that like there? Oh my gosh. It's like sheeny, sparkly glitter. So that's like a micro ditty dot of Lorex, and I keep wiping it like it's really glitter, but it's not. But the black fibers do not have that in there. This had to be a charge to design